Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers. In today's video, we are going to talk about UI design, that is user interface design. Basically, UI sometimes also stands for user interaction design, but it's usually called as just interaction design. Interaction design is nothing but how you interact with a robot or a machine or a computer. There are two ways. One is by visual wave from the screen, and second one is by sound, like how you interact from your voice, like on the apps like Siri, Google, and your Amazon, your Alexa. These are the voice interfaces, and the screen interfaces are anything you see in your apps, websites, and all. So we are going to deal with user interface, that is interface of visual interface of any screen. So we'll see what that is today. So it's basically just designing how your screen looks. That can be any screen, that can be your computer screen, your website, your application screen, and how it looks on different apps, how it look, or how the product screens are designed. Is everything is all these kinds of thing is done by a user interface designer. So basically he makes it visually beautiful and user friendly. Basically these are the most important things, like you should know where to go, where should be the back button, where should be my login and register, these kind of things, and what kind of color I can use for that, so it's eye-catching, people go for it. For example, things like call to action button, these all these. So you need to have basic understanding of graphic design to become a UI designer. So as I always say graphic design helps you in many different ways. So learning basics of a graphic design helps you in every field of design, or theory of design, basic design principles and all. I'll be doing but I think it takes a little bit more time to do that video on that as well. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. So this is what a UI is. So you will understand, okay, should the image be this large, or text be this much, or should the image be this much, or text should be this much. You will analyze all these things, which is better for a screen, all these kind of you will make a sketch of it. You will decide from the apps like Figma, XD, and whatever, and you will look which one looks better, decide the color, decide the font, like it should be light, dark, or all these stuffs. And basically you design for a product screen, that is your phone screen, your mobile screen, your tab screen, or you design of screens for the websites, how it looks, or screens of your apps and all. Okay, so this is how you do, like which color suits the better, or which kind of things may look better. You design them, you think about them, you draw it in your computer screens or tabs, and then you will make a prototype of it. Okay, basically of how things work. Then so these are the kind of things you will see, and what all the like colors, fonts, you will make it more user friendly and attractive. And this helps a lot in your business and to grow business. So every business these days is going online, so user interface is just in the game. So user interface design websites, apps for based on the product, or there will be two types of companies. Of course, they will do for product based companies there, and they will do for service based companies. So other than user interface design, he or she is always associated with user experience design. That's because user experience is a part of user interface is a part of a user experience. Experience designer has a much more work, like he does the research, he does wireframes, like he will choose how exactly a person should move, so he will make those journey maps and all. We'll discuss all these in what is a US design video, which I'll be doing in few more days. Please subscribe to the channel if you want that. So and then after getting the wireframe, he'll pass it on, or doing the wireframes, he'll pass it on to the user interface designer. So user interface designer then designs the things. He makes sure he puts the exact font, he puts the logo in a right way, he makes sure animation comes out perfectly so people can understand it. For example, your Uber or Ola interfaces, like the car is coming, you can see it, that is the work of interface designer. You will get to know by that. And where exactly should I complain, all these should be very easy for me. So I should see the cancel button and my rate charges, timing. So this way it looks matters to me, because I that's how I communicate to the company from that. For any service they are giving, for any product they are giving, the screen which I am seeing in front of me is the reason I can come, is the whole way I can communicate through that company about their product or about their service. Hence it's a very major thing how your interface is, and if it's good, your company has more profits in it. So this is a high demand career for graphic designer, or a high demand career for any product based or a product based or a service based company. Now due to every single business is going online, the interface becomes very important when they are designing or developing a app or a website. Okay, then but see, it's not necessary, because I said UI is a subset of UX. It doesn't make necessary that UI designer should be a UX designer must be a UI designer. You should know. No, it's not necessary. Big firms don't require that. They have separate the UX team will head the UI department as well in it, and UI department works through how aesthetics and everything they will do regarding interfaces, and UX designer just looks over it if it's coming right or not. Okay, so but in small companies, or if you are single-handedly doing you're working as a individual freelancer, then you should know both UX and UI. So if you want to know about UX design, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be getting new video hopefully very soon. So please subscribe to the channel, guys. Many of you watch it and just leave it. It will not help me in that way. Please help me by subscribing to me. It's free. Thank you.